May I? Not this time, Lovey. Thank you.
Ow! Joker?
Today we've got a really great and funny lesson for you with spies in disguise. When the world's best spy is turned into a pigeon, he must rely on his nerdy tech officer to save the world.
What am I doing?
But quickly before we get into that, I wanted to let you know that if you're new here, every week we release lessons to help learners like you to improve their English. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell down below so you don't miss any of our new lessons.
Like, I'm just saying, you can do more by bringing people together than blowing them up. And if I can convince you, we can convince the whole age.
There is no we.
Agent Sterling, just...
Blow something up or blow up something means to destroy something, or to be destroyed, by an explosion. For example, the plane blew up in midair.
And it's a very serious...
Listen, Fingerhead, we have to get Gene out of the game without blowing him up.
I don't want to blow up.
We have to match up the candy so that Gene will drop to the bottom. And we can't match him with any yellows, or else...
Oh, don't do that. Please don't do that.
Watch.
Are these beds made out of bombs?
Yes, but they are very old and highly unlikely to blow up. But try not to toss and turn.
Cool. Will you read us a bedtime story?
I'm out there, out saving the world, doing big things. That's what I do. And the way I do it is to have my things do the things I expect my things to do.
Yep.
Ow. Like blow stuff up. See, out there, I gotta fight fire with fire.
It's okay, Ralph.
All right, fix it. That's everyone. Now we gotta blow up this exit.
Just go. Go without me.
But what about this game?
Nothing we can do about it. Without a beacon, there's no way to stop it.
No! This is the part where we blow up!
Not today!
How could you do this?
You think I'm actually in love with an alien? When she leaves your planet with my plutonium, I'm gonna blow it up. But Bob's just the beginning. I'm gonna wipe up
That much plutonium could blow up the whole galaxy. Cool. No, not cool. Very, very not cool. We have to tell somebody.
Tell somebody what?
Right? Exactly. What's wrong with that? Shanker ends up with the most powerful weapon in the universe.
So he's got a toy for shooting down asteroids. Big deal.
You saw what it can do. Who knows what it'll blow up next? What if it's your planet?
Don't be paranoid, Gary.
Look, you're the world's greatest spy. Nobody ever listens to my ideas or gives me a chance. But if you did, together, we could really make a difference.
Make a difference?
Spy is someone whose job is to find out secret information about another country, organization, or group. For example, she worked as a spy for the American government.
So my mission is to find out what this new puppy is.
So you're like on a spy mission. Cool.
Yes, cool. And when I succeed, I'll become a baby core legend like Super Big Boss Baby, Mega Boss Baby.
Girl, come on. This is so great. Pigeons can be found in every major city around the world, and no one notices them. It's the most perfect form a spy could take.
You better unbird me right now. That's it.
What do you say, Lance? Come out. Have some good fun. You're the hero, right? The spy who saves the day, destroying anybody that stands in your way.
Oh, It's all my fault.
Don't be a fool, Mater.
But I am, remember? You said so.
When did I... Oh, Mater, I was complimenting you on what a good spy you are.
I'm not a spy!
Where's Sterling?
I can tell you where he's not, which is right here.
What? No, we can't just kill her. That's dark, Lovey.
Look, I know you're not a criminal. You're a bright kid.
Criminal is someone who is involved in illegal activities or has been proved guilty of a crime. For example, police have described the man as a violent and dangerous criminal. Teenagers should not be sent to prison to mix with hardened criminals.
He's the one that told me, no matter who I was or where I came from, I should follow my dream. That's a friend, people. And that's why, in my eyes, SpongeBob is no criminal.
What's happening? Hold on! When the door lands in the station, cut the power. You'll have the child and the criminals responsible for this whole mess.
Great, a welcoming committee. What are we gonna do?
What is this for?
Bible.
The recital. I am the greatest criminal mind of the century. I don't go to little girls' dance recitals.
And then, I got thrown in jail!
Felix, pull yourself together.
No! Ralph, you don't know what it's like to be rejected and treated like a criminal.
Yes, I do. That's every day of my life.
It is?
Which is why I ran off.
Guys,
Tried to be...
who's up for another job? A big one. The Golden Dolphin. Seriously?
Oh, I thought I was the crazy one.
That job has broken every criminal who's tried it. The Bucharest Bandits, Lucky Jim, the Crimson...
All right, do your thing, Knuckles. Bust it open.
What's this? You're a full-on criminal, aren't you?
Hey, we shook on it.
Be safe.
What's this all about, Raph? We got bigger things to worry about tonight than criminals.
Like what?
So what? You don't care about the park, do you?
I don't. But when I tell the team, I'll get double.
You think they'll believe a criminal like you?
After what I did for them? Oh, they'll listen.
I didn't want to leave your mother, Peter. If I don't return regularly to my planet and the light within it, this form will wither and perish.
So why didn't you come back? Why did you send Yondu, a criminal of all people, to come and to fetch me?
I loved your mother, Peter. I couldn't stand to set foot.
Abandoning your post, inciting a scurry, reckless endangerment of rodents, but, to be fair, you did stop a master criminal from stealing 24 moldy onions.
Hate to disagree with you, sir, but those aren't...
You're trying to keep the world safe. Just like your mother did. I read your file. I know she sacrificed her life to save people.
Sacrifice means to decide not to have something valuable, in order to get something that is more important.
I can't let that thing take your power. You can't control it. But I can.
But we're friends. You're killing me.
I know. But in the grand calculus of the multiverse, your sacrifice is worth more than your life.
When we had Coco, suddenly there was something in my life that mattered more than music. I wanted to put down roots. He wanted to play for the world. We each made a sacrifice to get what we wanted. Now you must make a choice.
Let my daughter go!
It's okay. He wants me, and he's gonna get me.
Huh? Sacrificing yourself for your daughter. How touching.
How predictable. Now come and get her.
And I thought this, plus some luck, might be enough.
To find my parents.
So, you sacrificed your plane for this baby?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, I guess. If this baby finds her family, I mean, it's worth it.
Oh,
right?
It's not about his heart. It's about mine.
May, we've discussed this. A princess must make every sacrifice for her country. It's our duty.
So, not seeing an entrance.
Yes, because it only appears after a human sacrifice. Kidding! So serious!
Never forget any of you. Of course not. Can't forget your bestest friend.
Being a prince means sacrifice. You must ignore his feelings and do what is best for others.
And all you got to do to make this a reality is hand over that little old talisman of mine.
No. This is not right.
Come on now, darling. Think of everything you've sacrificed.
Girl, all you ever do is win. I told y'all she wouldn't come.
If, for any reason, the winner is unsuccessful, the first runner-up will take his place, and so on and so forth. Some of you may die, but it's a sacrifice I am willing to make.
You all sacrificed so much. For me.
Well, of course. You are a special kid.
One of a kind.
Okay, you should get him out of here before something really bad happens. Silly robot. I got it all under control.
Grug, am I hallucinating?
No. Guy's a giant banana.
What the monkeys were trying to say was that we're gonna be sacrificed to the monster at full moon tonight. We can't catch this thing on foot.
Whoa, hey, what are you doing?
You're a pigeon, Lance. You're one of the fastest birds in the world.
No, put me down, Walter.
You need to fly. I believe in you.
There's another way. Boy, don't you throw me off this rope!
Throw off here means get rid of someone or something as no longer useful or desirable.
Off.
Just tell me what it
I
is.
said back off.
Is it wire hook's not working? You don't want to talk, don't talk. You want to throw me off the boat? Throw me off. You want to tell me I don't know what I'm doing? I know I don't.
Let go, you idiot! Help me throw him off before he kills us all!
Kill us? This squirrel is a hero!
That was amazing! We did it!
We're gonna talk about you throwing me off that roof, though.
No, I really thought that would work out better!
No, it's cool. We're gonna have about it in a minute. You know, I'm gonna let you have this moment.
Hey, one last thing. Don't you ever do nothing to make me look bad. You got that?
Oh, I will never let that happen, sir.
You better not, or I'll throw you off the roof.
On your knees, bad guys, with your hands up.
Never! We're out of here.
So long, suckers!